In the lab's design approach, the way that we operate effectively within each of these three design modes, understand, ideate, and prototype, is shaped by our core design principles. These serve as lenses that we can look through to inform how we do all of our design work. Now, three of these design principles come from the Equity by Design framework, which was created by Caroline Hill, Christine Ortiz, and Michelle Molitor. Process as product reminds us that we can only get to effective, equitable outcomes through focusing on equity and inclusion in the process of design. So the processes that we go through as we do design inherently shape the products and the results that emerge from our work. Historical and systemic context asks us to understand the history of how a problem we're tackling came to be, how this problem has manifested itself in the design of systems that exist today, and how these systems have shaped different people's lived experiences. And inclusive collaboration asks us to engage in deep, consistent, empowering collaboration with people closest to the problem at hand throughout any design process we're going through to ensure that their voices are always guiding decision-making so we can work effectively to tackle the problem that we're going after. Last but not least, we have growth, belonging, and agency. These are core drivers of engagement that have been illuminated by decades of work in psychology and behavioral science that's come together in a body of work called self-determination theory. Now, we know from this research that all people, all of us, need to have these drivers of engagement fulfilled by the environments that we're in order to experience high quality engagement and well-being in learning and work and really in all parts of life. We work across our design work to more strongly support a sense of growth, belonging, and agency for people closest to the problem at hand through the experiences, programs, and products that are designed, and also in the way that these folks collaborate in design processes themselves. So when we're doing any kind of design work, making a decision, developing a strategy, designing an experience, facilitating a meeting, just to name a few different examples, we always need to ask ourselves, how might each of these core design principles inform or change the way that I approach the work that I'm doing in this moment, the thing that I'm designing right now? By letting these principles guide our actions, we can work more effectively toward transforming systems to better serve workers and learners.